Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you guys follow me over on Instagram, you saw that I posted this eye look using the new Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag palette by Manny MUA, and I am loving it. I'm loving it. So I wanted to show you guys this. So I did this whole look at about 10 this morning. It is currently 11:30 p.m. So I have been rocking this eyeshadow and foundation all day with no touch-ups. The only thing I've touched up is my lipstick, and there is no creasing, and my foundation has stayed in place. I freaking love this makeup. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Just gonna start with, I'm gonna use my blending sponge and my Lime Life concealer. This is shade number 2, and I'm just gonna put that as a base for the eyeshadow. You guys, check this out. Life's a Drag, Manny MUA's first product. You can't see it for the glare, but anyways, such a pretty palette. It is gigantic, and I love how huge it is. Okay, so watch this. Look at all these beautiful shades. I think, in my opinion, this is like the perfect palette. I freaking love it because you can take this and, like, when you're doing people's makeup, you have all the neutrals if people want neutral. You have all the bolds if people want to maybe do something bold. And these all mix so good to make so many different shades. And then you have like a cool shimmer, warm shimmer, mix them together and they make this beautiful champagne. I love it. And then the mirror is so pretty and it says "Be a Queen" on it. I just love this palette. Anyways, okay. That being said, let's get started. I'm going to use this color Kiki right here. And so we're just gonna start putting that in our crease area. And so I'm just kind of giving it a little bit more of a blend with this super fluffy blending brush. And pull it out towards your hairline just so it like tapers off. I'm gonna actually go in with a little bit of this blue here. And then I'm gonna go in with black. I'm just gonna do this just so that the transition between black and teal isn't so harsh. And then just back in with that really fluffy blending brush, back with the Kiki again. What I'm gonna try is going in with this pretty vulgar the Ink #1 Blacklist gel eyeliner. Okay, so we're just gonna pack this on our eyelid just to help give that black some real depth. Now we can go back in with the color Shady and pack that on over top. And you want to keep it kind of close to the lash line. You don't want it really big because we're going to go and blend it out, and so you don't want the black to kind of just take over the eye look. Okay, now I'm taking a brush just like this just to kind of start smoking out that black. And can you see how it's just like, I'm just smoking it out and it's getting a nice soft kind of smudgy gradient kind of look to it. And then just go back in with your fluffy brush. This looks so crazy right now. Go back in with your super fluffy brush and just sort of blend those shades. You can dip back into the Kiki color if you want, just to help transition it a bit. I'm going to take some Tarte Shape Tape to cut my crease. And then we are going to go in with a mixture of Legendary and Beat. And then I'm going to go back in with the fluffy brush and some Kiki. Okay, I just packed a little bit of the green onto the black with my finger, and then I'm just kind of blending it out, and that kind of gives like your eye just a little bit of dimension. So now I'm going to go ahead and just quickly toss on with my dirty little sponge. I'm going to toss on some foundation, and if you guys want to see a full in-depth on how to put on foundation for different skin types, let me know in the comments below, and I'd be happy to do that video for you guys. Do you know what we didn't put on? We didn't put on any blush. I'm going to take this shade number 4 and just put a tiny bit of blush on. Now we need a little bit of liner. I'm going to go back in with this Pretty Vulgar with another liner brush. And just sort of let it trail out into that black. I'm not going to wing it, I don't think. I do not have any lashes down here, so I'm going to go grab mine from upstairs and I'll be right back. Okay, so now we got our lashes on. I'm going to take and toss a second coat of mascara on my bottom lashes now that they're dry, and just get them looking extra chunky. And then I'm going to toss a little bit of mascara on these lashes just to blend my lashes. And because these are brand new, and I just kind of like them when they're a little bit roughed up. These are the Ardell Wispies. I will post a link to everything that I used in the description box below if you guys want to check them out. Now I'm going to go do my hair, find a lipstick, and then I'll come back and show you guys the finished look. Okay, so there's a light nude and dark nude by Lime Life Balcone. I'm going to use the dark nude. And then when you put the lid on, give it a twist. Can you hear that? And then it sharpens and cleans your liner for you. And then I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills shade Honey Matte Lipstick. I love this shade. How awesome is that color? So awesome. I love it. You want a Tic Tac? Okay, then I'm going to take my lightest concealer, number 2. And just pop that in the center. Just gives you a little bit of dimension to your lip and makes them look more like, yes. Okay, what do you guys think of this look? Very bold for some, not for me. I am just wearing this for every day. But let me know what you guys think of this look. Let me know if you guys want to see some more bold, colorful looks with the Mani palette, you guys, because look at how many more shades we can be playing with here. The yellow one is screaming my name. I need to do a yellow look. So let me know what kind of a look you guys want to see, and I will definitely do that for you. And then, yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up because that really helps my channel. Make sure that you subscribe. That's just a little button down here. Red button says subscribe. Click that and then you're notified every time that I upload new videos. I upload regular videos every Monday and then sometimes put a couple bonus videos in there for you guys. So you'll be notified when those go live. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.